How to turn off Gmail notifications on Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable or turn off your Gmail notifications. Let's get started, guys. First, you want to open your mobile settings. Go to mobile settings and open the mobile settings. After opening the mobile settings, tell me in the comment box which use mobile you will be using right now. And now you have to just click on the search bar options. Now you can search here apps options. You have to just click and search here apps. Otherwise, you can search the app management. After searching the apps, now you can see here have app default app options. So now you have to just search, click on the search bar on bottom. So now you can see on top bottom, you can search here Gmail app. After searching the Gmail app, now you have to click on the Gmail app. After clicking the Gmail app, now you can see here have will many options have. Now you have to just click on the find here notifications options. Click on the notifications options. Here have the notifications will be allowed. You have to just disable here, turn off these notifications. So now your Gmail notifications will be pause off. If you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel if this video is helpful to you. Thanks for watching the video.